Okay, so we're going to calculate for milliliters per hour and milliliters per minute, which is what you may have to calculate for to put a medication into a pump. This will all make sense, more sense than it does now in a bit here. So to start, we want to give 100 milliliters of a medication that's mixed in a medication. Doesn't matter what it could be, amiodarone, magnesium are the ones that we're going to do this the most with. This delivering it over 10 minutes this way. And it doesn't matter, whatever we have mixed in it, the calculation, this part of the calculation is going to be the same. So we're going to give 100 milliliters of X medicine over 10 minutes. So in order to do this part, we're going to say, well, what is 100 divided by 10? So we can cross out zeros. So we know now we're going to give 10 milliliters over 1 minute. So if you have your pump, whatever you're going to do, so as a drug, you're ordered to give a 100 milliliters bag over 10 minutes. You're going to set your pump to 10 milliliters per minute. Or if you have to do milliliters per hour, so anybody, if 1 minute is 10 milliliters in 1 minute, and how many milliliters in 60 minutes? 600 milliliters. Okay, good. 600 milliliters an hour or 60 minutes. Okay, so everybody get how we got that? Okay, is this here yet? No, okay, we're good. We're good. Okay. Hey, this isn't going to be more complicated. This is just another step. Okay. All right. Ready? Go. Okay. So we're going to take 10 micrograms of norepinephrine, which we're going to show you how to mix together. And we're not even, it doesn't matter what the drug is. We're just going to say 10 micrograms of a medication per minute. And there's a few different ways we can prepare this. The one we're going to do for this problem is we want to give 10 micrograms a minute. And we have 1 milligram of it, that's how it's packaged, unfortunately, in 100 milliliters. And we're going to put this on our pump, and we need to set it either for milliliters per minute or milliliters per hour. Okay, so our order is in micrograms. Anybody know, again, not guessing, it's okay, how many micrograms, or how many micrograms are in 1 milligram?
1,000.
Okay, good. So 1,000 micrograms. Good. You guys know this already. All right. So 1,000 micrograms. And 100 milliliters. And so we want to give 10 micrograms in 1 minute. So how many milliliters per minute? How many milliliters per minute do we want to give? So, or how many micrograms are in 1 milliliter? We'll start there. How many micrograms are in 1 milliliter? So we can cross out zeros. So now we have 10 micrograms in 1 milliliter. So we want to give 10 micrograms in 1 milliliter, and we want to give 10 micrograms a minute. How many milliliters are we going to give in 1 minute? Was that your middle? Sorry.
No.
Okay. All right. It was 1 finger. It was 1 finger. Okay. So equals 1 milliliter. So we can set this to set your pump to 1 milliliter a minute, or if you had to set it to 1 milliliter an hour, how many milliliters per hour is it going to be? 60 milliliters. Milliliters an hour. Okay. All right, we can stop. So this will just be